student, this video for class 9 students. Today we have to start with the problem upstream and downstream based problems. So many problems are given in this exercise. So one by one I explained each and every type of problem in front of you. So today we are going to start with this upstream and downstream based problem. Here what we have to assume that speed of boat x kilometer per hour, speed of steam be y kilometer per hour, and speed during upstream x minus y, and during downstream x plus y. These two things you should remember. Then accordingly, whatever the question they have asked, then you can formulate it. So let's see the questions. The question which we are taking, this is 29th question over here. In this question, students, see the question 9 to question number 29. The boat takes 2 hours to go 40 kilometer down the stream. The boat takes 2 hours to go 40 kilometer downstream. So this is the first case. Okay. So what you have to do here, you should apply the formula. Is this? What is the formula? Formula is time is equal to distance upon speed. This formula you have to apply. So according to this question, 2 hours it is taking, so you can write 2 is equal to distance. How much kilometer he has to cover? He has to cover 40 kilometer downstream. So 40 is here, and speed downstream speed is x plus y. So 2 hour 40 kilometer, and speed we are using x plus y. So what you have to do, if you are going to cancel out this 2 with this 40, it will be 20. So after cross multiply, you are going to get x plus y is equal to 20. This is equation number 2. Similarly, in the second condition, what they have given, that and return it in 4 hours, means when he is coming back, then the same time equal to distance upon speed. Time 4 hour he is taking, distance same distance he has to cover, but the speed this time x minus y. Okay, so here you can cancel out 10 times. So the second equation is x minus y equal to 10. This is second equation. Now student, you have to simplify first and second, and you will get both the speeds. So here we are going to simplify both the equations. This is 2, and this I copied equation number 1. Now y to y cancel, 2x is equal to 30, so the value of x is 15. This value I am going to substitute in equation number 1. This is 1, so 15 plus y equal to 20, so y equal to 5 km per hour. So we have calculated here speed of boat, it is 15 km per hour, and speed of stream is 3 km per hour. So this is the answer of this particular question. So just have a look of this question completely. Now student, we have to discuss the last question of this exercise. This is expenses based question. So in this question, it is given that the monthly hostel charge for this particular question, it is given fixed. It is fixed, and the remaining depend upon the food, how many days you have taken in a mess. So two girls are here. One is Bhavna and another is Diya. Bhavna is taking a food for 20 days and Diya is taking for 26 days. But different amount they have to pay. Bhavna is paying 2600 to the hostel in charge, and this Divya is giving 3020 rupees to hostel in charge. Okay. So question is, what is the fixed charge and the cost of food per day? So that you have to see here. Let the fixed, this is expenses based question. So monthly charge is x and the cost of food per day is y. मतलब एक दिन अगर खाना खाते हैं तो y रुपये देने पड़ेंगे. तो क्योंकि भावना ने पहले केस के अंदर देखिए, भावना का है तो 20 दिन उसने खाना खाया है, तो 20 इंटू वाई, क्योंकि एक दिन का कॉस्ट है y, तो 20 y हो गया. और फिक्स कॉस्ट तो देना ही देना है, ये x तो उसका फिक्स कॉस्ट है, हॉस्टल का चार्ज है, तो x प्लस 20 y इक्वल टू 2600, ये भावना का हो गया. This is equation number 1. Now in second case, Diya is taking food for 26 days. She is more number of days over there. So x plus 26y equal to 3020. So these are two equations. We have to simplify the value of x and y, and you will get your answer. Okay. Now student, we have to simplify both the equations. We are going to get the value of y is 70 because after changing a sign x is cancelled out. So it is y is equal to 70. So therefore we can say per day charge for food is ₹70. Means एक दिन में वो 70 रुपी चार्ज कर रहे हैं पर हेड. अब इस वैल्यू को हम लोग अगर इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं तो देन वी आर गोइंग टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 1200 रुपीज़. सो 1200 रुपीज़ इज द हॉस्टल चार्ज फॉर मंथ and 70 rupees is the per day charge for food. So both the things we have calculated over here. So rupees 70 is the answer for the first part is 70. This is the first answer. Here you can mark the answer, and second answer you have to write over here the fixed charge. So student, we have solved all the questions for this particular exercise over there. Now remaining question I am assigning for the homework, and I hope you will do it and show your work as soon as possible. Thank you very much.